If you want to bold text in Elementor, this video is going to make it quick and easy. Whether you're styling a heading, making important text stand out, or just learning the basics of Elementor design, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it confidently in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Elementor and WordPress tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open your page inside Elementor and click on the widget that contains the text you want to make bold. This could be a heading widget or a text editor widget, depending on what you're working with. Once you click it, you'll see the settings for that specific widget appear in the left-hand panel. Now that the widget is selected, look at the top of the left panel and switch over to the Style tab. This is the middle option between Content and Advanced, and it's where you'll find the visual design settings for your text. Inside the Style tab, look for the Typography section. This is where Elementor tapes the font settings for your text, including font family, size, spacing, and weight. Click to expand typography if it isn't already open. Now find the Weight drop-down menu. This is the setting that controls how thick or bold your text appears. Click the drop-down and you'll usually see options like normal, bold, and sometimes numerical weights as well. If you want standard bold text, choose 700. In most cases, 700 is the normal bold setting and will give your text a strong, clear emphasis. If you want something even heavier, you can try 800 or 900, which are usually extra bold or black depending on the font you're using. As soon as you select the weight, you'll notice the text update immediately on the screen. That live preview is one of the best parts of Elementor because you can see the effect right away without guessing. If the text doesn't look bold enough, you can try a different font weight or even check whether the font family supports multiple weights. Some fonts have only limited bold styles, so testing a heavier weight can help you get the exact look you want. You can also use this same method for other text elements on the page, like headings, buttons, or any other widget that has typography controls. Once you get used to it, styling text in Elementor becomes very fast and simple. After you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner and click Publish to save your changes. If you're editing a draft page, you may see Update instead of Publish. Either way, make sure you save everything so your bold text goes live on the page. And that's it. Now you know how to bold text in Elementor using the built-in typography settings. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in the way your content looks and feels. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Elementor tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.